Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. So let's begin a new week. Are you ready? Well, how does Miss Lori start off the new week with you? With new vocabulary words. But before we get to the vocabulary words, let's just review. So Miss Melanie is starting off our lessons this week with what? That's right. She is starting it off with a book about planting and seeds. So you ready to learn about your new words? Let's go. So this word I have here. You see what this word is? You see what the boy is doing with his family? He's taking some kind of branch and he's putting it into something we call soil. That's right, everyone. He is planting. Everyone say planting. And what are some things that you can plant? Let's look. You know what this is? This is seeds. Everyone say seeds. You could plant seeds and you can plant beans. Do you know what seeds and beans really are? They are small plants. Can you tell me small plants? They are tiny plants that you have to put into soil, or you could add water to it, which we're going to do an experiment this week. And one day, they're going to open up into a plant. We're going to learn more about plants in a few. So what do you need? You take a seed, you put it into soil. Everyone say soil. Soil is food for the little seed or the little bean, and it gives it its nutrients to open up and sprout. So everyone say soil. Okay, let's see our next vocabulary word. And what does the soil need to do after you plant the seed into the dirt? You need water, or if it rains, you could use rain. So you could have rain or water. Well, rain is water, right, boys and girls? We learned that last week. Okay. So we need rain. You see it's raining on the flowers. That's what it needs in order to grow. But it doesn't only need just rain. What else does it need? It needs sunlight. Everyone, you've seen this word a few times in the last few weeks. Sun. And there's the sun shining onto the grass and the plants and the flowers. So it needs rain, water, and sun. Yay for the sun. Okay. But do you know what happens when it rains? Do you want to know a secret? Let me tell you a secret. When the rain or the water goes down into the soil, it touches the seed, and what happens is this begins to grow. This is called roots. Do you see these small lines? Do you know what the roots do? The roots drink up the water from the soil, and it gets its vitamins that way, and it goes up into a small hole into the roots, and it goes up, up, up into the stem, and the stem continues to drink the water up until it grows into a big, beautiful plant or flower. So this word is stem. Everyone say stem. You guys are doing great with these new words. Okay, you seen this word last week. Eventually, the stem goes up and it opens up into a bud. It's not a flower yet. Right now, the flower is closed. But eventually, sunlight gets to it and water continues to get to it, and then it will open up into a beautiful flower. But where do a lot of these things grow? You could grow them anywhere. You could grow them in your house, or you could grow them in a garden, which is outside. Everyone say garden. You see? There's different flowers and plants. So let's see what the next word is. There you go. This is a picture of a plant. Plants you could grow in your house too. And you could take care of them in your house. You could keep them near a window so they get sunlight, and you could water them. But in a garden, the sunlight could give it the light, and the rain could give it the water. But if there's days when it doesn't rain, you know what you should go outside and do in your garden? You should go water your plants or flowers. So this is a plant. And here, you guys know this word. You've seen it before, I believe. Flowers. Everyone say flowers. And not only do plants and flowers grow from a seed, you guys eat seeds, seeds in your lunches and in your dinner times. You can see it in your vegetables. That's where vegetables come from. You have to grow a seed in order to grow a vegetable, like a pepper. Peppers have seeds in the middle. What else has seeds? A carrot comes from a seed. You see, cucumbers have seeds in the middle. When you eat your fruits and vegetables this week, save your seeds. Maybe you could plant them with your families. So I just told you, this is vegetables. And you guys know what vegetables are, right? Pepper, cucumber, carrots, broccoli, string beans. Those are vegetables. And then, you guys know what this is. Fruit. Strawberries, blueberries, oranges, bananas, grapes. All of this comes from seeds. In order to get this, someone has to plant the seed, and you can have fruits. It depends what kind of seed you plant. So if you're eating an apple and you see an apple seed, and you plant the apple seed, what are you going to get? That's right, you're going to get an apple. An apple tree will grow, and then you could go out and pick the apples off the apple tree. If you plant a pumpkin seed, what are you going to get? That's right, you're going to get a pumpkin. If you plant a bean seed, you could get a string bean. So we're going to try to do some planting this week. I know Miss Melanie is going to get us some lima beans, and she's going to do a very, very fun experiment with lima beans where we're going to actually watch it open up and grow, and you're going to see the parts of the plant that way. And Miss Alina is going to do poems, and Miss Diana is going to do math games with us, and I'm going to do how a seed becomes a plant. So we're going to have lots of fun this week while we learn about seeds and planting. So you guys know what to do. These words are going to be in your emails. You're going to print them up. You're going to write the words, and you're going to practice it all week long. If you can't print them up, you could draw the pictures. So for now, I'm going to go, let you practice your new words, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.